Man, so look at this shit, right? So, I'm walking down this long ass fucking street trying to get home, and this white lady, beautiful white woman, pulls over next to me about 2 blocks down, and she was like, "You can use this better than I can," and just fucking gave me an umbrella. And I'm not talking about any normal umbrella, motherfucker. I'm talking about this bitch exclusive. Shit. She did, feel me? She just gave it to me, so love her. Sweet, sweet woman. You know, maybe I'll see you some other day. Who knows? I give you something back, but now, dog, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining, and yo, bitch, got you, motherfucker. If I wanted to, but I'm not dirty, so I don't care. Anyway, yep. About to hit this right, walking in the rain on y'all ass motherfuckers. Get it how you live. I walk all terrain, motherfucker. I am a all terrain motherfucking vehicle. You can't stop me. Can't stop the train, baby. Bow. Fuck out my damn camera.